Want smooth, silent gate closing? Gastac is your perfect choice. Complete hardware kit. Multiple models available to perfectly match various gate sizes and weights. Smooth hydraulic control, zero noise. These bars control the closing angle and keep the movement smooth. Heavy-duty gate bracket for maximum security. Thickened U-shaped design with multiple holes for flexible installation. Installation is a breeze. Just drop the pin right through the bracket, slide on the spacer, and screw the nut on the bottom. Give it a quick tighten, and you're fully secured. And hey, if you need a step-by-step, detailed installation guide, just reach out to us and we'll send the full tutorial right over. We welcome all wholesale and bulk buyers. Contact us to get your factory quote.